Hey, good morning everyone. This is Miss Carly at the Blackstone Library, back again for another Take and Make, which will actually be happening tomorrow, which is really, really exciting. I know we keep moving locations. Right now we are in our break room because this month's Take and Make is going to require a microwave. Now this is my little bag, my green bag of everything that we've used. Yours will look a little bit different. But what you're gonna find in your bag when you come pick it up is some wooden spoons. You're gonna find, this is my big industrial size, you're gonna laugh, bag of chocolate chips. Yours won't be that big. Some sprinkles, some marshmallows, as well as a nice little packet of hot cocoa. So what we're going to do today is make chocolate-covered cocoa spoons. And at home, you're going to have to find a microwave-safe bowl. I got this one right here, really, really easy. Everyone's going to get 2 spoons. So you can make 2 spoons if you want to do it with your brother or sister, or a parent, or grandma, grandpa. That's great. I want to start with 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips, okay? Now, I did do this back at home, and when I put it in my microwave, it took about 2 minutes, maybe 2.5 minutes, but everyone's microwave is different, okay? So I'm not sure how this guy's gonna operate, but what I like to do is maybe do 30 seconds at a time, just to make sure you don't burn the chocolate. All right. So, welcome back. This microwave took about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So like I said, everyone's microwave is different. But this is the consistency you're gonna be looking for. And next step, I took out my nice little wooden spoon and I'm going to cover, my spoon as best I can. Since you have 2 spoons, it might be a good idea. You could pull the other one out and help cover each other. You know what I mean? As you can see, I've used both my spoons to kind of help coat the whole entire wooden spoon. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find a plate in your kitchen, like this, magic of TV. Voila. And here's my coated spoon. I'm gonna put it on my plate. Looks really good. Kind of just want to eat it like that. And this is where you can have fun. You can add your sprinkles that you come with, right? Or you can add some marshmallows, because right now that chocolate is super, super sticky. It's going to act like a glue. So you could add these little fun things. If you have something extra at home, you could add chocolate chips. If you aren't allergic to peanut butter chips, anything like that you could grab. And you're just gonna paste it right on your spoon. So now the next step. Okay, so now that you're all coated, right, nice and ooey and gooey, I put the sprinkles on there too. You're gonna put it in the freezer. And once again, the magic of TV. I pre-made one, like I said before, from home. Honestly, it took like 2 to 3 minutes to freeze. And I didn't have any of those little extras that Miss Mary gave you. You're gonna laugh because when you open your bags, you're gonna have a lot of marshmallows and a lot of sprinkles to use. But you could make more spoons on your own if you want, or use them for another project. So now the best part of this, right? We got our gooey chocolate. It's a nice hard shell. You're gonna make